I went to a Kali Uchis concert last week and did foam rollers in my hair that came out absolutely amazing considering they were only in for 5 hours, and a lot of you asked me for a tutorial, so here it is. I'm using the pink curling rods, which are 2.4 inches. I'm gonna link them below on my Amazon. They're only $4 right now, which is crazy. Starting on clean dry hair, I just sectioned off my hair, and this is what the foam roller looks like. You literally just snap it open and close, taking the roller under a small section of hair, bringing it all the way to my ends, and then wrapping it around like so. And now we're just gonna roll the roller up all the way to my scalp, tucking in the little tail of my ends underneath the hair as we're rolling. Trying to keep a little bit of tension, not too much because you don't want it to be too tight, but you do want it to be secure. And now that we've reached the top, we're just gonna snap the foam roller closed. I usually do it over the hair because doing it under doesn't secure it as well. It should look something like this. And now we're just gonna repeat that same process around the whole head. Again, taking the roller to the bottom of the hair, wrapping the ends around, tucking that tail as you roll up all the way to your scalp. If you have long hair like me, this is definitely very time consuming, so be patient and be prepared. And we are all done. I think this whole process took me about 30 minutes maybe. So happy to be done. Very time consuming, but very worth it. Now we're gonna sleep in these babies overnight. I'm putting on a bonnet to prevent any extra frizz. Good morning. Sleeping in them wasn't too bad. I've definitely slept in more uncomfortable hairstyles. I would rate this in terms of comfort like an 8 out of 10. It wasn't too bad because these kind of add an extra cushiony pillow type of feel to them since they're foam. Already halfway done with my coffee. Let's take these curlers out. To take out the curlers, all we're gonna do is unsnap the foam roller and gently pull them out. Most of them are getting stuck, which is no big deal because you could just unravel it without the stick part in it. But I've noticed definitely have gotten more stuck than when I just had them in for 5 hours. So maybe the longer you have them in, the more like messy they get, I guess. Now that all the curlers are out, I'm going to take a few drops of my Pure Bloom hair growth formula and run it through my hair and use it to separate the curls. Separating the curls will make it look a little less uniform and a little bit more natural. And here is the final result. I absolutely love these curls. I think they're so pretty, and honestly, they were a lot more comfortable to sleep in than pin curls, and I think it's a very similar result, if not better. I do have a pin curls tutorial posted on my channel, so be sure to check that out if you want to see what that looks like, and then you can be the judge of whether you like these curls more or the pin curls. But these are just so dreamy, so much volume, so much fun. I'm obsessed. Again, I will be sure to link the foam rollers that I use down below. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye!